What's up, fam? So today I'm gonna take you guys on a little adventure. First, I gotta fix my bike. I popped my tire, doing some dumb stuff. I mean, it wasn't dumb, it was fun. I was trying to jump over a curb and popped my tire. So that's gonna be the first objective for today. And then after that, I'm gonna take you guys on a little nature adventure and hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This breaking, I'm gonna have to bookmark this real quick so I can go back to the store and buy another one. So I guess I'm walking to this little park. It's harder than saying his ass crack. Out in nature. I'm on a bike trail. Like, my bike is busted, so once I get that fixed, I'm gonna come out here. It looks so fun. Come here with your bike. This is in Jacksonville. The weather is like probably like 90, 91, 92 degrees Celsius. Today's the 4th of July. So far, it doesn't seem like much, but I've only walked like 2.25 miles. It's so hot, but I'm taking a little break right now. Taking some time to enjoy this nature. Sometimes I feel like we gotta disconnect and just forget our problems for a little bit. Just enjoy our lives. So peaceful out here. That's enough talking. Let's go. Hi. Oh, so nice out here. Come on, feet dangle. Wonder what kind of tree this is. Gang, 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 gang. Made it to the tower. Tower is this wooden tower that you can see this little pond. I've been here before, but let's see if they made it higher. Cause last time I was here, a part of it was under construction. We're gonna see whether they made it higher. In the night, take a chance for some romance. Don't copy. Such a beautiful view. Willow trees. I gotta walk back now. Hopefully y'all enjoy the video. It's time you let your guard down for someone like me.